Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get own property symbols. So it's a method for in an object and which returns the array of all symbol properties. Symbol dot for. Yeah, we earlier we have talked about it, but now we're gonna go to the depth of it. So this is what it does or not. So let's begin. Create a const. Inside that, object one equals an empty object. Oh fuck. Empty object. Then we'll create const a equals pass a, and const b equals dot 4. So and pass b, and object 1, and inside there what we're gonna do is a equals local local symbol. And note this, I'm using camel quotation, so yeah. And what we're gonna do now is object what's that? And now I'm gonna do is object 2, object 1, and it has the parameter like an array to b equals global symbol. Constant object symbol equal object dot get own property, and symbols. Inside there what we're gonna do is paste object 1 and then log it on a console object symbols dot length. So when we do that, we're gonna say 2 because we just put it. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. If you have any problem, just hit me in the comments, and see you guys in the next tutorial.